Hello, good afternoon. This is Towards to Success. Today we are going to discuss about checksum. Okay, this checksum is one type of redundancy. Okay, already we have seen C or C cyclic redundancy checking. This is fourth type of redundancy checking. Okay, let's we start. The first pointers, the message is checked by the receiver side. This is general one for each and every transmission. The receiver only can check the whether it is a error correct or not. Okay, this is well known one. Next, check equal to check plus sum. Okay, third point is the sender create the checksum. What is this actually? These type of questions will be asked in competitive examination, which means which one create the checksum. Okay, the options may contain sender, option A sender, option B receiver, option C both sender and receiver, option D none of this. Okay, so the answer is sender. Transmitter only can create the checksum. Okay. Next, while seeing problem, you will understood clearly. Just keep in your mind. Okay. Next point is the receiver validate the checksum from what the sender send the data. Okay. So the sender's responsibility is to create a checksum. The receiver responsibility is to validate the checksum. Okay. Validate in the sense what, whether it is correct or not. Okay. Next point is, if it is with an error while checking, it will reject it. It will reject in the sense the receiver will reject it, otherwise accept it. Okay. The next is the sender, which should be follow the following steps to create a checksum. What are the steps? The first step is break the original message into k number of block with n bits in each block. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is add the carry value to this sum if it is, which means some arithmetic, which means some addition operations problems contain carry, some problems doesn't have a carry. So if it is contain carry means we should add the carry value with the sum value. Okay, keep in your mind. After we will see. Okay, we will see. The next point is do one's complement, do the sum within checksum. So after completion of arithmetic operations or addition operation, we will get one answer. So that answer should be converted into one's complement. We have to convert that answer into one's complement. This is third one. Okay. So okay, let us see the one example for this topic, checksum. Okay. Here I'm taking 1 0 0 0 0, the length bit of data. Okay, data. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 blah blah blah, go to like this. So this data, for this data we have to find which means we have to create a checksum by sender. Okay, the first step is break k number of block. So the continuous bits which should be break into k number of block. Here I just take the k number of block with 8 bits. Okay, I just separate the 8 bits. Okay, the first block is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Like this I separate, so I have 4 blocks. Okay. Then step 2 is add the blocks. Okay, so here we have to follow one thing, that is from this side you have to start, which means 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is the first block. Okay, 1 0 0 1 1. From right side towards to left side you have to follow the. Okay, 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Next one is 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 3 0 3 0 1 0. Next 0 0 1 0 0 00 100 100 00 100 100. Fourth block is this. So now we are going to perform the addition operation. Okay. Okay. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. The next one is 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. Okay. Okay. Next 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 10, because this is binary addition. So 1 plus 1 10, here 10, the carry is 1. Okay, the carry is 1. Next 1 plus 1 10, so 0, the carry is 1. Next 1 plus 1 10, 0, the carry is 1. 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, so here 1, the carry is 1. Next 1 plus 1 10, 0, the remaining, which means the carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 is what? 100. So 0, the remaining, the carry is 1 0. Here we got carry for this result, which means this problem. Okay, so what is this step? In a second step actually, add the carry value to the sum. Okay, so here we got carry, so we should add that carry with the result. Okay, so in right side you just placed the carry value 1 0. Now add it as usually. Okay, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 10, 0, the carry is 1, so 1 plus 0 1. The remaining values are unchanged. Okay, okay, this is the result. Okay, now this result should be converted into ones complement. This is the first step, I think. I'm right now. Do ones complement, do sum with checksum. Okay, okay. Now take that result 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 and do ones complement. Ones complement in the sense what? If it is 1 means you have to write 0. If it is 0 means you have to write 1, like this. This is ones complement, and this is also called checksum. This checksum is created by the sender. Okay, okay. Next, next the receiver side, which should be validate the checksum. Okay, okay. So what are the steps follow? The steps are, the first step is take all the k number of block with the checksum, sum all the blocks. Second step. Third one, except if the result all ones, reject otherwise. Okay, the result will be should be the result should be with ones. Okay, if it is contain 0 means you should reject it. The receiver should reject it. Okay, you will clear while saying problem example. Okay, okay. Now these 4 blocks are taking here by receiver side. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. The 4 blocks 1 2 3 4, the 4 blocks are unchangeable. Here the receiver also take that 1 3 4 blocks here. This one is checksum result created by the sender. Okay, result. So here we have to add perform the arithmetic operation addition. Okay, so 1 plus 0 like this 1. Next 1 plus 1 10 0, remaining 1. 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11 1, remaining 1. 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11 1, the carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 1 11 1, the carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 1, the carry is 1. 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 1, the carry is 1. Next 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 100, 100 plus 1 101. So here 1, the carry is 10 1 0. This 1 0 is should be added with the result. Okay, this result. So 1 0. Now do the arithmetic operation. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1. Then these terms are not unchanged. Okay, finally we got 1 1 1 1 1 1. So there is no error, which means the sender creates the checksum is correct. Okay, then the receiver will be accept it. Okay, this is the problem from checksum. If you have any doubt means just comment. If you cleared in this topic means please like and share with your friends, and also subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.